We actually have a ground stop for all of our Red Crossers, so you can't go anywhere as of right now. Where you are is where you are.
After a week of setting up emergency operations in Florida and moving supplies like blankets and cots and food into place, hundreds of Red Cross disaster workers, including 20 from our region, are being told to hunker down till it's safe to dive into emergency relief operations. Regional Red Cross CEO Dale Kuntz talked to us from his hotel room.
So we're sort of ready to go, just waiting for this storm to clear Florida.
Kuntz and his colleagues must now stay put until Ian is gone.
And you can think about this as the old oxygen mask on a plane kind of scenario, right? We want to make sure that our folks are safe and that the community is safe so that we can then go out into the community and do the most help.
They're gassing up and then seeking shelter. That's what Marylanders on the road in Florida with a DMV-based Swift Water Rescue Squad told us this afternoon.
We're getting into position this afternoon as the storm really starts to ramp up because we have a feeling we'll probably be hunkered down for most of the night before we can get to work tomorrow.
The nonprofit Tidewater Disaster Response deployed a 5-man team to Ian. Members are cross-trained in debris removal and route clearance, too. And members include a Baltimore City firefighter and a spokesman from Elkridge.
So everybody on this team is trained both for swift water rescue and for chainsaw operations. That way we can do whatever we need to do.
He told us if the forecast holds, their team could begin their work in the overnight hours tonight, meaning the very early hours of Thursday morning. And he said they could be in Florida during doing their swift water rescue work through Sunday. Reporting live tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.